my beautiful polyglots. My name is Irina Movsesian and I speak 7 languages. I speak English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French, and Portuguese. Well, today we're going to dive into the Portuguese language. And we are going to learn pronouns. Pronouns are such words like I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Well, I would like to mention that there are a couple of differences between Portuguese from Portugal and Portuguese from Brazil, and today I'm going to cover those differences. First of all, I would like to tell you that we have singular pronouns and we have plural pronouns. Singular means one person. I, one person. You, one person. He, one person. She, one person. It, one person. Plural pronouns, that means that there must be many people. We, some people. You, some people, right? They, several people. Good. Now we understand we have singular and plural pronouns. Let's learn them. How we are going to learn them? Let's take first 4, memorize them, play with them, and then we will take more. I will be eu. Eu. Say it. Eu. Close your eyes. Eu. 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 You in Brazilian Portuguese will be você. 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 In Portuguese from Portugal, people say tu. Sometimes you can see tu in Brazilian, but if you want to learn Brazilian Portuguese, if you're going to Brazil, learn você. I like this one more. I don't know why. I just like the word você. Eu, você. Eu, você. Você, eu. Good job. He will be ele. Ele. She will be ela. Ela. Ele. He. Ela. She. Okay, let's review 4. Eu, você, ele, ela. One more time. Eu, você, ele, ela. Let's do it vice versa. Because if we go just one and the same line, we're just memorizing the words, not the meaning. Let's go there and back. So we definitely know which pronoun is which pronoun. Okay? Ela, she, yeah? Ela, ele, você, eu. One more time. Ela, ele, você, eu. Wow, you're on fire! Look at you going! You just learned 4 words. You're one step closer to knowing Portuguese. Alright? Eu, você, ele, ela, 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 eu, você, ele, ela. Alright, we learned 4 words. Nós, we, nós, nós. You plural form, vocês, vocês. In Brazilian Portuguese, we have only one option, vocês. But in Portuguese from Portugal, we have vós. Not to be confused. Let's learn você, vocês. Você, you, singular. Vocês, you, plural. It's going to be easier. Let's do how I say, because I learned several languages. Let's learn how I say so you can speak as many as I do. High five? Yeah, high five. All right. Nós, vocês, and then we have eles, elas. Eles, elas means they. But in Portuguese, we have they feminine, they masculine, and one of them will be the group of people, boys and girls together. So every time the masculine gene, I don't know where it came from, but probably from a long time ago, the masculine gene has power. Power. So basically, if you want to say boys and girls together, or let's say there are hundreds of girls and just one boy, all the group is gonna be masculine. Elis. Yep, like this. Men had power, I guess. So, that's how it is. Elis. Elis. Well, if we are just girls and no boy, no boy around, elas. Elas. They. Feminine. Okay, so let's review what we learned. Nós, vocês, eles, elas. One more time. Nós, vocês, eles, elas. All right. Now we have singular and plural together. We have to keep all of it in our head. Before we go to the next step, we have to memorize some words. Let's do it together. Ready? Steady, go. Eu, você, ele, ela, nós, vocês, eles, elas. Woohoo! We just learned pronouns. We just learned pronouns. We just learned pronouns. Good job. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of myself. We are going this road together. We just learned so many words. 7? Did we just learn 7 words? Eu, você, ele, ela, nós, vocês, eles, elas. Do it. Do it. Do it in front of me. Come on. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. I learned Portuguese, you can do it. I'm listening. Go ahead. Okay. Eu. Vocês. Good job. Oh, ele. Ela. Nós. Vocês. Eles. Elas. Oh, I am proud of you. Today you learned pronouns. Look at you. Please write them down so you can memorize how to write them, okay? And also, if you want to learn more, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have so many languages. I teach English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French, and Portuguese. It's not the end. I'm gonna learn more. You're gonna learn with me. Are you on board? Are you ready? Let's do it. By the way, let me know if you like my lessons. So leave me a comment in the comment section below. And also you can find my Instagram. I teach several languages. I have so many Instagrams. An English Instagram, and German Instagram, Spanish Instagram. And if you want to learn faster, you can also find me, my email, my social media, and ask me for private classes. I give classes one-on-one via WhatsApp or Skype. Let's do it. Let's learn languages together. Well, other than that, thank you for watching. I love you. You're my best friend. Soon we're gonna talk about boys and girls and shopping and traveling in Portuguese. But you have to learn Portuguese with me. So check out my other videos, learn it, come back to me, and we are going shopping together. Okay? Deal? Deal. See you next time. Bye.